Hi, I'm Dr. Fabiola Martin of Essentials Consultants LLC. Are you tired of guessing how much you should charge your clients for your event planning services? What if there was an easy way to find out how much you should charge? What if you only had to plug in some numbers and you didn't have to know how to calculate anything? What if all of your information could be summarized for you and you could know how much you spent, how much to charge your client, and how much you earned? What if you could also get an automatic invoice so that you can give a bill to your client? You can get all of this and much more with very little effort on your part by using the Excel Quick Pricing Calculator for event planners and designers. First, take 1 second to click the like button for this video. Then, you can get an automatic 5% discount when you click the link below this video to purchase an immediate download of the calculator. I know that you want this to be your best year ever, so don't wait. Get started today. Thank you.